On October 15, 2024, Hurricane Milton made landfall on the southeastern coast of the United States, unleashing powerful winds, torrential rains, and widespread damage. But how did this storm form, and what impact did it have on the communities in its path? Let's dive into the story of Hurricane Milton. Hurricane Milton started as a tropical depression over the warm waters of the Atlantic Ocean. The conditions were just right, with warm sea surface temperatures and low wind shear, allowing the storm to gradually organize and intensify. Within days, it gained strength, becoming a Category 4 hurricane, with winds exceeding 130 miles per hour. The rapid intensification was alarming, as it meant the storm was drawing immense energy from the ocean. As it moved northwest, residents along the coast braced themselves for impact, knowing that Milton had the potential to cause severe destruction. Communities began to prepare, boarding up windows, securing outdoor items, and stocking up on essential supplies to weather the impending storm. Hurricane Milton made a devastating landfall near Charleston, South Carolina, bringing with it a powerful storm surge that caused immediate and widespread flooding in the low-lying areas. The torrential rain added to the chaos, overwhelming the drainage systems and turning streets into rivers. The intense winds, reaching speeds of over 100 miles per hour, uprooted trees, tore off roofs, and damaged buildings, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. Thousands of homes were left without power, plunging entire neighborhoods into darkness and making recovery efforts even more challenging. Coastal towns like Myrtle Beach and Savannah bore the brunt of the hurricane's fury, experiencing severe damage to homes, businesses, and infrastructure. Roads were submerged under several feet of water, and emergency services were stretched to their limits as they worked tirelessly to rescue stranded residents and provide aid to those in need. After the initial impact, Hurricane Milton continued to move inland, weakening but still dumping heavy rainfall across Georgia, Alabama, and Tennessee. The relentless downpour caused widespread concern as it showed no signs of stopping, leading to fears of severe flooding and landslides in the affected areas. Rivers swelled beyond their banks, and flash floods became a major concern, inundating streets and homes. The sheer volume of water overwhelmed drainage systems, turning neighborhoods into temporary lakes and causing significant property damage. But the story of Milton is not just about destruction, it's also about the incredible resilience of the people. Communities banded together, showing remarkable strength and unity. Neighbors helped each other clear debris, rebuild homes, and provide emotional support during these trying times. Local authorities, the National Guard, and volunteers came together, working around the clock to rescue stranded residents and provide essential supplies. Their coordinated efforts ensured that those affected received food, water, and medical care, highlighting the power of collective action in the face of disaster. Now, as the storm has passed, the focus shifts to recovery. Rebuilding homes, restoring power, and bringing communities back to life will take time, but the spirit of unity and support is stronger than ever. It's a reminder that while nature's power can be devastating, human compassion is unstoppable. We'll continue to follow the recovery efforts and share updates. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay informed about weather events and stories of resilience across the nation. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.